Functions of management. Planning. This involves setting organizational goals, defining strategies, and developing action plans to achieve those goals. It includes determining tasks, allocating resources, and establishing timelines. Organizing. These functions involve structuring the organization, determining roles and responsibilities, and creating a framework for effective coordinations and communications. It includes designing departments, establishing reporting relationships, and defining workflows. Leading. Leadership is about inspiring and guiding employees to work towards the organization's goals. It includes motivating and influencing individuals, providing directions, and fostering a positive work environment. Controlling. This function involves monitoring and evaluating the progress towards goals, ensuring that plans are being implemented effectively. It includes measuring performance, comparing it with targets, and taking corrective actions as needed. Staffing. Staffing involves acquiring, developing, and retaining the right talent for the organizations. It includes activities such as recruitment, selection, training, and performance management to ensure a skilled and motivated workforce.